Not much to it.
Oh, that's cool.
What?
What's that sign?
Car parts and junk. Old books. I wonder, they're probably ledgers or something. I don't think this is Victorian era construction. It doesn't feel like it.
Need a pole digger?
Seen the pole digger.
Do you need a pole digger?
Why would I dig poles?
The hole.
Post digger.
Post digger?
A post hole. I like a pole digger. What the hell's a pole digger?
Make the holes for the poles.
A post.
2004.
Wasn't an assassin?
No, he's a serial killer. Kidnaps these girls, keeps them held hostage. One of them escapes. He has to help find the police find their way back to where she was being held to save the rest of the girls.
Based on a true story?
I don't know.
Where'd that go?
The Dr. Pepper sign. Too bad it's broken.
Pottery. What, abandoned lawn care, right?
Yeah.
What's that?
Boots are kind of cool.
In this thesis, in this poem, the modest proposal is by selling poor Irish babies to the rich would help Ireland stop poverty. Huh. That's a girl's handwriting. What are you doing?